come with me to get the new iPhone 16 Pro Max. It just went on pre-order today and I ordered it thinking it would take like 2 or 3 weeks, but there's an in-store pickup and so I did that and I'm gonna go get it. I am so excited. I've had the iPhone 14 Pro Max for 2 years. Now, quick backstory. If you've been following, let me sit down all the way. Okay, this is more comfortable. If you've been subscribed to me for a couple of years now, you would know I used to post a lot of Apple videos, just like unboxing, setting up, all that stuff. My channel actually got its big start from posting a 2020 MacBook Air video. I'd been posting YouTube videos for 2 years before that and nothing ever really got more than like 100 or 200 views. 2020, I buy the new MacBook Air, I post a video unboxing it, then how I hate it, and then buying the MacBook Pro. And all of those videos combined really is what got my channel off and going, got me monetized, and those are to this day my biggest videos on my channel. After that, I was posting so many Apple videos. I bought, all in 1 year, I bought 2 MacBooks, an iPhone, a watch, an iPad, the Apple Pencil. I was literally buying Apple products left and right because you guys love those videos. I loved making them. I loved getting Apple products. But if we're being completely transparent, mostly all of those Apple products were bad financial decisions. They were either bought with the 2020 stimulus check, they were put on credit cards, I was making monthly payments to Apple. I was honestly doing a lot because I wanted to keep posting those videos, but I was not in a financial position to be buying thousands and thousands of dollars of Apple products. So honestly, that's why over the last couple of years, you guys really haven't seen a whole lot of Apple videos from me. I've had the same MacBook for about 3 years. I've had this phone for 2 years. I haven't bought an Apple Watch. I'm now a Koros girl. So just being completely honest, if you're wondering why I stopped posting those, I made it a point that I'm not ever again going to purchase electronics or big purchases that I need to make monthly payment plans on or put them on a credit card. I'm trying to be more financially smart. I'm also very fortunate that I'm in a position now that I'm making a lot more money at my job. So I told myself no more month to month. You don't need to do that. And this iPhone 16 came out. I've been waiting 2 years to upgrade this phone and I was able to purchase it all in full. So I do not owe Apple or any credit cards any money and I'm actually gonna trade this phone in. Long story short, that is why I paused on Apple videos, but I'm so excited to get this phone. It's about a 45-minute drive to the closest store that I was able to pick it up from today. So I'm gonna go get my new iPhone. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to see this new camera. It's 100 degrees and there's a line outside. One hour in line, bag secured. Had to wait in line for an hour, but bag secured. I need to stop and get gas and then I'll go home. But here is what it looks like. I mean, the box is nothing too crazy. I got the color Desert Tan, so I'm gonna go get some gas, drive 45 minutes back home, and then I'll unbox it. I definitely did not expect to be in line that long. And yeah, some adults don't know how to act because why were there several people who walked up and asked the workers, like, do I have to wait in line? As I see a whole line of 30 plus people. Like, what do you think? So people are going crazy. Let me go ahead and go home. And I'm also so thirsty. It's hot outside and like most of my weight was standing outside. So let me go get gas and head home. And this is the new iPhone 16 Pro Max. I honestly didn't think it would come with a cord, but there is no cube, just a cord. But actually, this is a really nice cord. It's USB-C to USB-C, but it's this really thick rope material, so definitely a really good cord. And as you guys probably know, the last couple of years, Apple has really been trying to reduce the amount of waste, and so that's pretty much it. The boxes are so small and thin now, and it doesn't come with a charging brick. There's just this little tiny pamphlet of information. I'm gonna get my phone set up. I'm so excited to use it. I definitely will update you guys as I use it over the next couple of days. The color is really pretty. I got the desert tan, and yeah, I'll make a separate video once I've been using it for a little bit longer and show you guys the camera, the photos, features, and all that good stuff. But thank you guys for watching. Picking up this iPhone on the day it dropped was like a 3-hour ordeal, but I'm so happy to finally have a new phone again.